My fiancé doesn't know I had a one-night stand. Dear Pastor, I hope you are doing well. It has been a long time since I have been planning to write to you, but the time has just come. I have good news for you. This man I have been living with for 5 years has finally proposed to me, and I've accepted it. You told me a couple of years ago that I should not push him, I should wait on him. Even when I was planning to leave him, I did not get your support, so I stayed. I was sure that he did not have another woman. The children love him, and that is one of the reasons I stayed with him. I went to America for 3 weeks and I met a man who helped me to relieve some stress.
What do you mean by that?
I knew what I was doing was not right, but I got involved nevertheless. My children's father doesn't know that I slept with another man.
You what?
But I have dealt with the matter in my heart, and I have asked the Lord to forgive me. This guy with whom I had a one-night stand is a friend of one of my brothers, and my brother was pushing him on me and telling me to forget the worthless man I have in Jamaica because this man would take care of me, and through him, I will get a green card.
Boo this man!
However, it was not the green card talk why I had sex with this man. It was to relieve my stress. When the guy realized that I was coming back to Jamaica, he told my brother that the love I have for my man in Jamaica is very strong, but if I should change my mind, he would marry me. I have been back 2 years now and my children's father has now proposed to me.
Oh no!
He has never asked me if I got involved with another man when I was in America. I did not expect him to ask me that because he tells everybody I am a good woman. I am a good woman.
Stop the cap!
But that Sunday night that I had sex with my brother's friend, Satan got the better of me. It was just sex and it was only once. I don't even love the guy. He bought me a cell phone and I took it to Jamaica and gave it to my children's father.
He called!
He was so elated. He believes that the phone came from me. I can hear you saying, this girl is bad. If this man had got me pregnant, I would have returned to America and married him, because we had sex without protection.
She belongs to the streets!
I plan to get married to my fiancé in August, and we would like you to officiate. I will tell you more about it soon. BT.
Dear VT, I have to be frank with you. My conscience will not allow me to officiate at your wedding. If you didn't tell me that you purposely got involved with another man while your children's father was out here in Jamaica believing that all is well, I would have gladly officiated. But you are behaving as if you did not do anything wrong, and you are making a fool of your children's father. He believes that you are a wonderful woman, but the truth is you are a snake in the grass.
My man.
Pause.
I wish you well. I hope you won't be against me because I refuse to officiate at your wedding. Pastor.
Well guys, this writer showed her true colors. It seems she had an itch and just wanted her coochie stretched out by another man.
I'm trying to get my coochie stretched.
But, like she said, she is a good woman who just gave in to the devil. But, fun and game aside, what this woman did was crazy. It seems she definitely wanted to experience a new joystick in her Victoria's Secret.
What more do you want from me?
Always hear women wanting a man who trusts them, but the truth is, things like this tend to happen to a guy who trusts his woman. Not that a man can stop a woman from cheating if she has made up her mind like this woman did. Satan has nothing to do with this because she made her choice amidst the temptation.
Correct!
However, it is said that, what you don't know won't hurt you. So, if this woman's cheating was a one-off thing, then maybe they can get married without their marriage ending in divorce. But, she is already displaying at least 3 red flags and who knows what she will do when she gets another itch, and her dear future husband is not there to stretch her coochie himself?
Hear what God now you know. Hear what don't hear ya. Hear ya. My God.
Anyway guys, if you are still here and find the story interesting, please subscribe to the channel. Now, let's check out the comment section.
First comment comes from Coretta Burgess, who sarcastically commented, "I am a good woman. but that Sunday night that I had sex with my brother's friend. It would seem the vast majority of women in Jamaica are good like you as well. Susie replied, plus she had unprotected sex with this male. That is how disease keeps floating around. Jay Jones joined in with, so this guy bought you a cell phone and you slept with him? Well, let's hope that is the only thing you got when you slept with him without using protection. Can we talk too? Replied to Jay Jones. Check it, JJ. According to her, she slept with him first, which she's now claiming was a one-night stand. She mentioned that he bought her a cell phone, which it seems that she is patting herself on the shoulder for gifting said phone to her babyfather, now fiancé. Has he thought about where she got the money to purchase same? Here's a question. Why would she even keep this cell phone, since looking at said object however frequently or infrequently, if she has a conscience, then the phone is a constant reminder of the duplicity that she perpetrated on her man. Jeez me. Now Jay Jones. Did Missy here ask him, the one-night stand dude, for a cell phone as a result of their interlude, or did this gift just materialize from him as a kinda thank you for the sex they had? That is the unknown. Since she is seemingly very convincing, however, one could infer that she met up with him a second time, although it is possible however that he, the one-night stand dude, gave the cell phone to her brother to give to her. That is also unknown. I reread this letter again, and it seems as if the one-night stand dude knows that she has a man back in Jamaica. If they did meet up again in order for her to receive this cell phone, did they get jiggy as a goodbye and remember me present, although she's claiming otherwise? Yet another unknown. Randy Jam said, yes, tell it like it is, Pastor. I am glad that you didn't hold back. Changes also said, I agree with you, Pastor. She took her man for a poppy show and is now trying to do the same thing to you. AVS said, good news for Pastor A. You cheated and now you're engaged. No idea if the fiancé himself cheated when she was in America, but she was wrong. The brother too. Of course it's good to have ambition, but her brother was wrong to push someone onto his sister knowing she was with someone else. She could have said no, but he was the cause of it. He clearly can't be trusted either. The grass isn't always greener on the other side. America isn't perfect, nor is the UK. Yes, Jamaica can be rough, but most people including Jamaicans see beauty in Jamaica apart from the crime and expensive education, better food, education, and importantly family. The UK and US have money, but it's not easy, it's tough, and you don't work any less. She might leave a man she's been with for years to end up with a terrible man chasing a green card. Pastor right to not officiate the marriage. True commented, I wonder if the description good helps them to not see themselves for what they really are. Judging from her reaction, I would say that she has engaged in these activities previously and has become a bit insensitive towards laying down with another man. Old people used to say, you can't turn a 304 into a housewife.
She belongs to the street. Percocet, Miley Percocet.
Hopeful also commented, I hope he finds out before that I do. For 3 little weeks you couldn't keep your legs closed. Instead, you had sex with another man with no protection, even though you might get a STD. You are careless with your health and that of your children's father's health. Somehow, you are the kind of woman who gets rings. King Ironside said, I can guarantee the man will find out just by reading her letter to Pastor. Jacob Forrest said, there is a saying that what you don't know won't hurt you. Although you had a one-night stand, which was bad, keep it to yourself and don't let anyone else know now. Keep your mouth shut for your own happiness. T who added, I really think the pastor is correct on this one. But young lady, let sleeping dogs lie. Stay with your man in Jamaica, marry him and have a good life. The grass may not always be green on the other side, so keep your mouth shut tight. And the last comment comes from the Bismarck, Bumbercart Pastor. I respect that. Girl, you cold. You gave the man the phone just in case he found out that you were dogging him. You want to have something to throw in his face when he calls you out on your infidelity.
Got him.
Hope your marriage works out. Good luck.
Well guys, this is yet another interesting cheating story, and this fiancé probably gets away with her dirty laundry if her man does not read this letter and figure out that she was the one who wrote in. While what she did was wrong, once it does not happen again, their marriage could work out. Even though her lack of guilt makes it seem what happened in the United States was not her first time cheating on her boyfriend. Whilst I blame this woman's brother for introducing her to his friend, she was ultimately the one who opened up like a book for her brother's friend to use his pen to sign his signature and made his mark. So, she gets 75% of the blame here. She was no victim. But, share your thoughts with us and let us know in the comment section if you think this woman is a good or bad woman. Was the fiancé too trusting of her? Was it the brother the reason this woman cheated, or was it really Satan? While you are at it, please subscribe to the channel for more interesting stories like this one and like the video so we can reach a wider audience. Also, if you like this video, check out this other story titled, "Wife Had an Affair with Her Cheating Husband's Brother." Anyway guys, thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Love.